Good day sa mga manonood nito. Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa inyo. Welcome sa video na to. Pero bago ko simulan tong topic na i-discuss ko, sisimulan muna natin to sa tanong na what if the hero you admire made the decision just hours before his death? A decision that people are still debating today. Would it change how you see him? Today, ang pag-uusapan nating topic ay isa sa mga pinaka-controversial na topic sa Philippine history o reading in the Philippine history na aming pinag-aralan, which is the retraction of Rizal o sa Tagalog, ang retraction Rizal. Pero bago tayo dumako dun sa pinaka-main topic natin, dito muna tayo sa brief overview of Rizal. Sino nga ba si Jose Rizal? Jose Rizal is widely recognized as the intellectual foundation of Filipino nationalism. Rather than using violence, he used education and literature to expose the injustices of Spanish colonial rule. His novels No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo revealed the suffering of Filipinos and challenged the abuse of power by colonial authorities. These works awakened national consciousness and inspired the desire for reform. Pero alam naman natin na si Rizal ang national hero ng Pilipinas, diba? Pero ang pinaka-special sa kanya ay hindi siya lumaban gamit ang mga sandata. Lumaban siya gamit ang kanyang utak at ang mga pananalita. He wrote two powerful novels, which is sinabi ko kanina, No Limitangere. This exposed the abuse and corruption during the Spanish period. Next is yung El Filibusterismo. Ito naman mas intense to kasi it shows anger and the need for change in the Philippines. Because of these books, maraming Filipinos ang nagising sa realidad. But dahil naging influential siya, nakita siya ng Spanish government as a threat. Kaya eventually, he was arrested and sentenced to death. Kaya naman, dumako na tayo dito sa ating main topic, which is, ano nga ba ang retraction? Ang retraction is a document na sinasabing pinirmahan ni Rizal hours before his execution in 1896. Sa document na ito, nakalagay na binabawi niya ang kanyang criticisms against the Catholic Church at bumabalik siya sa Catholic faith. May mga ilang reports din na sinabi na he married Josephine Bracken before he died, which for some people is proof na nagbalik loob siya. But here's the big question. Did Rizal really sign it? Here are some reasons why some people believe it's real. May mga historians na naniniwala na authentic yung document. Bakit? Because according to some priests, they witnessed Rizal signing it, and honestly, marami nagsasabi na kapag alam mong malapit ka ng mamatay, mapapaisip ka talaga about your faith and your relationship with God. So for them, Rizal returning to religion is something very human. Hindi nito yung binabawasan yung pagkahero niya, but it actually shows na tao lang din siya. Ito pa yung isa, which is why others doubt it. Siyempre, hindi lahat naniniwala. Meron ding mga naniniwala, meron hindi. So, some historians noticed that the document only appeared years after Rizal's death. So, naturally, people started asking kung totoo ba ito, bakit hindi agad pinakita. Others also argue na kilala si Rizal as someone na firm sa kanyang beliefs. So, he was willing to die for his principle, kaya nahihirapan silang paniwalaan na bigla niya itong babawiin. Isa sa pinaka main problem nito is why is this issue still matters today? Hindi lang ito simpleng argument tungkol sa document. This debate is really about faith, heroism, identity, and how we define a hero. Because at the end of the day, whether Rizal retracted or not, his writings inspired a nation. Nagising ang nationalism ng mga Pilipino dahil sa kanya. And sometimes, being a hero is not about what you did in your final hours, but it is about the impact you made while you were alive. Lastly, in conclusion, Rizal's retraction remains one of the greatest historical controversies in the Philippines. While evidence exists on both sides, the lack of absolute proof means the debate may never be fully resolved. What remains undeniable, however, is Rizal's roles in shaping Filipino identity. Whether he retracted or not, his courage, intellect, and patriotism continue to inspire generations. More importantly, this discussion encourages Filipino to think critically about their history and to understand that heroes are complex individuals shaped by the realities of their time. So hanggang ngayon, the truth about Rizal's retraction may never be fully proven. But one thing is clear, his courage, intelligence, and love for the country continues to inspire generations. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko, whether he retract or not, Rizal remains a hero. This quote is for us to know that Jose Rizal did not just die for the Philippines, but he helped shape what it means to be a Filipino. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.